Hello guys, today we're just showing Zion's wash day routine for her natural hair. She has a 4A slash 4C-ish type texture. It's 4A in the front, 4B-ish, and all the way 4C in the back. Hopefully the two textures match one day, but that's fine. But this is what I've been doing since she had enough hair to wash. If you're interested in seeing our routine and maybe get some tips to handle your toddler's hair or little girls or family members, come on in and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. And these are the staple products that we use here. Everything I use has moisture in it somehow, moisture retention. Love the L'Oreal. Head and Shoulders is for the dandruff. She's tender-headed, so you will see me massaging her hair towards the end of her head. You know, when you're tender-headed, it helps to massage, to loosen up that scalp, so you won't be as tender-headed. It helps. When her hair is thick up there, and I said 4A-ish in the front, I meant to say no more 4B in the front and all 4C in the back. Maybe have a few strands of A, but her hair is very thick. Like she inherited that from her dad's side of the family because I have fine, thin hair. I would love to have her hair texture. I can do more with it. I would wear it more, but my hair is boring to me. That's why I always have it covered, but I will wear it out naturally in the summer. It's a Denman brush we use to help those curls, and I use it during the hair wash because it gets all of that buildup out, as well as that red tail comb because the teeth are close. So it helps me a lot. And I always comb conditioner through to get the best results. Believe you me, get the best results. No hands down. So I'm just going to continue, and I'll come back and say a little bit towards the end. Okay, for you, those of you that don't know what the sulfur is, it's basically a medicated product for those that struggle with dandruff and just itchy scalp. Zion has eczema, so that's why I use this. I've been using it on her, and it helps to combat the dandruff and just dry, itchy, flaky scalp, and it also helps with psoriasis and any other scalp issues. So those of you that are watching and knows anybody that maybe is unaware of a product that they can use that's very inexpensive, well, I wouldn't say inexpensive because that little jar right there was like $5, but all you need is a little, and I mix it with just regular bergamot hair grease, and I have to grease her scalp. Have to. I grease mine. I encourage my oldest to grease hers, always has. My hair was down to her backside growing up. It's short now, but there's nothing wrong with grease. You just have to learn how to wash your scalp right so you won't have the buildup. But it's perfect. My mom used it our whole childhood, no problem. Okay, so this is the end, and this is what I do on her wash days. At the end, I braid her hair in any way, not this particular way all the time, but this is how I retain all of the oils and products that I put in there until I'm ready to actually comb it. But she will be wearing this overnight because it was already like after 7 when we washed. I typically like to do it in the morning so I can go ahead and have her hair styled before the next day. But we will do some type of little cute style, and she act right, so I'll get that one recorded for you. If not, then we'll just do regular ponytails or something. I don't know. But thanks for watching, and always like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.